These are the elevators at Devil's Building, 666 Old Country Road. That one doesn't have a basement, actually. These buttons are cool. One's here. This one. They got new cabs again. It used to be wood and... Oh, good. Alright, here we go. The one I just got on too, it just acted up for no reason. It just like dropped down for no reason. Oh, what the? Only 2 cars come down here. See what the signal does. The call stations are still the same. Send you off. Oh well. So the cool thing is, there's a button for here, and then there's a basement button, which is lit for some reason. Sounds like it's this one. Oh, 2 of them. This one. I'm going down to 2 because there is a security guard here. At least there's no cameras in the elevators itself. These are modernized a while ago. These used to be Dover Impulse with like a slap on. Now where is? I don't know where the other one is. Maybe it'll still be upstairs. Does this thing work on this one? I almost hit the phone. Oh. Pfft. Now we have to test all of them. The one I just read before. Alright, now we got this one. I'll try to get all 4 quickly. I don't want to spend too much time in this building. What was that? Oh, it has like an NCC controller. It registers the directional arrow. Those are monitor call buttons. Those are custom monitor. Janus sensor. I don't know why it's doing that. These are nice, but the cab got like redone like 10,000 times. All right, now we're gonna try to get the one diagonally. Oh, there is a service car here. I wonder how to get to that one. Ah, it's not giving me. It's probably that way. Wonder what the service elevator's like. Yeah, oh, it rang the one I want. I'll look for it later. white monitors here. Oh, what about the signal? That's cute. It's like extremely quiet. I wonder if that was the case on that other one. The one next to this one. And that'll do it. That's all four. All four in 5 minutes. And I'll end up here. And there it goes, and that's it.